Hello there, my friends, and welcome. If you're wondering, is digital marketing is the right career for a beginner? You're definitely in the right place at the right time. You need to stick around to the very end because I have some exciting gifts for you. Now, if you're new to my channel, my name is Amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com. I'm a single mother of two children. I'm based here in Dublin, Ireland, currently studying for my degree in business and marketing. I help busy moms just like you learn the skills to build a successful digital business so you can finally fire that boss of yours and get to spend more quality time with your family. Because I know what it's like to be chasing time and money. Back in October 2019, I was overwhelmed. I was so stressed and frustrated. I was sick and tired of working 12-hour shifts and still not having enough time or money to spend with my family. I felt like I was on a hamster wheel going round and round in circles as I was living from paycheck to paycheck. You name it, I've done it, from affiliate marketing, network marketing, crypto trading. I always felt like I had an expensive hobby. I was spending more than I was earning. And it was not until I made the decision to invest the time and the money to learn how to market online the right way that things started to change for me. So if you're wondering, is digital marketing a good career? If you're a beginner, then you're definitely in the right place at the right time. The first thing that you need to know is you actually don't need to have a degree to get started in digital marketing. Most companies prefer for you to have the skill, to have a proven track record, and they will actually hire you. And not only will they hire you, you can actually use the skills to build your own business. There's a very low entry to barrier. If you want to learn digital marketing, there's so many places that you can go learn digital marketing. I'm going to share with you a few of them here, and I'm going to add these to in the descriptions as well, so you can actually look at them. But Coursera is a site where you can actually go to learn digital marketing. There's a lot of careers here in digital marketing, and it shows you how much you can earn as well. 59,000. There's over 213,000 openings, and 75% of graduates report positive career outcome, right? So you don't have to go to a university. You can come in here and you can actually build towards a degree, okay? So Coursera is one of them. And Google has a platform here as well where you can come in here and learn digital marketing skills. You can get certification. And HubSpot is another platform that I've used. There's HubSpot Academy. There's different courses that you can take to actually learn, okay? So there is no shortage of different platforms that are out there for you to help you learn digital marketing. And it's actually a transferable skill, because once you learn the skill, you can use it in so many different ways. Not only can you use it to get a job, you can use it to actually become a freelancer. I'll share with you what kind of jobs you can get. I'll share with you where you could go to become a freelancer, or you can actually use the skills to build your own brand, build your own business. It's actually a high in demand career. Forbes magazine in 2024, last year, said that digital marketing was the fastest growing career in 2024. And they wrote this article where they actually projected it to be a $1.5 trillion industry by 2030. Okay, so it's very powerful article. If you're looking into digital marketing, you're definitely in the right place at the right time, because it's your opportunity to get a piece of a $1.5 trillion pie. Now, if you're wondering if you want to learn this so that you can make money as a career, you can see here, this is a Dublin, right? So it's different everywhere. So 35,000 a year working full time. You can become a digital marketing and communication executive. You become a digital marketing for this company and earn between 35 and 45 a year working full time. Digital marketing executive, 28 to 40,000, 40 to 45,000. Digital marketing. These guys are like right around the corner, by the way. Digital marketing executive, fitness equipment Ireland, 30 to 35,000. Content marketing specialist, 50 to 60,000 right? So that's a hybrid job. Oh, that's the other thing as well. As a digital marketer, you can actually work from home because you're marketing businesses online, or you could do hybrid, which is in home and work and all that. So it's really good. And then here, this is a platform called Upwork. It's a marketplace where buyers and sellers meet. So you see this guy here, he's a Meta ads manager. So he does lead generation, pay-per-click ads, and he charges $30 an hour. SEMA charges $10 per hour. Ruben charges $45 an hour. So this is a marketplace where you can go from $51 an hour, $9 an hour to different $7, different currencies. Christina, $85 per hour, and so on and so forth, right? So there's different options, different routes that you can take as a digital marketer. Now, if you're interested in actually learning how to the skills of digital marketing and actually using those skills to actually brand yourself, build your own brand, promote your own, promote other people's products actually, but get paid 100% commissions, paid instantly and directly to you as if you created a product. Now I want to invite you to actually click the link in the description to claim your free 10K in 30 days live interactive guide, which is going to introduce you to our business model. Is called Master Resale Rights, where you can buy this program. It's a live interactive coaching and mentorship program. You pay for it once, and then you have the rights to resell it over and over again and get paid 100% commissions, paid instantly and directly to you. So I'm going to deliver the guide to your email. Feel free to respond to email. Ask me any questions that you might have. I'll be more than happy to answer them. And if you found value in this video, go ahead and smash that like button. And remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more training from me. I've been the amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com, wishing you the best year ever. Thank you. Have a fantastic day.